Hey friends, if you wish to fix DCOM error 1084 on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So first of all, we will have to re-register two DLLs, and here's what we will have to do for this. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Just copy and paste both of these commands here. One will unregister, one will re-register, okay? The second one is to perform an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. And the last solution is a system restore. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on open system restore. Click on next. Choose a go to restore point. Click on next. Click on finish and finally click on yes to initiate the process. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.